All right, boys. So we are walking through the streets. Just hit Supreme. I copped a flannel. It was very fire. And then my friend Kyle, his girlfriend, also got one of the most fire pieces from last week. The green and pink corduroy, which I obviously talked about in my last video, but it was super hyped to see her get that piece because that was a piece I really enjoyed. But yeah, the Supreme store in Chicago was very cool. We're hitting a bar here, so I'm gonna jump off, but we will get back into the rest of the fashion stuff tomorrow. We're gonna hit Nordstrom, and then we're also gonna hit Endless Supply, I believe. So hopefully some more stuff in store, but yeah, that's where we're at for right now. What is going on YouTube? Taylor Prentice back here with another video. In this video, we've got some really exciting stuff. I've got two Supreme pickups. One of them is a flannel from when I was in the store, and the other one is the Crest Chanel logo t-shirt, which I got shipped to my door right now, which we're going down to pick up. So it was actually my first time in the Chicago location for Supreme, and it was a really good experience. All the employees were super nice. I was able to find like what I wanted right away. The store was in a pretty cool location in Wicker Park, if you guys are familiar with that area. So if you guys are out there, I definitely recommend stopping in. We stopped in between like our bar runs, so I was a little bit wasted when I went in there, but I did snag a piece, like I said, and I'm pretty excited about it. It's not a piece that I really liked when I saw it online, but it is a piece that once I saw it in person, I was like, oh yeah, I gotta have that. The colors were just like super beautiful. And you can never have too many flannels in your collection. And I feel like Supreme flannels and just like shirts in general typically fit me really well. So yeah, I was excited to pick up that piece. Here we go. We've got the new package with the Chanel Crest logo. So we're gonna unbox that on camera. All right, we got the fit. You guys see the vibes. Got the Bravado jeans on, the Who Decides War. Crazy details on these bad boys. Got the bedazzling, for lack of better terms, right there. Yeah, just crazy. Some of my favorite pair of jeans that I own. But yeah, then we got the All Saints sweater. We got the Gucci hat. We got a Kyle. We got a tie. But yeah, we're about to go do some shopping and have brunch. So hopefully we find some cool pickups. Let's get it. We're walking to Nordstrom right now. Hopefully gonna find some drip in there. We just had brunch. The place was really gas, called Hub 51. If you guys are over 21 and in the area, I highly recommend checking it out. The food was delicious, the drinks were good, and the service was really nice. So yeah, good recommendation if you guys are in Chicago. But like I said, we're about to hit the Nordstrom location in River North. So if we have any pickups, I will be making a video of that later. I don't think I'm gonna be able to record in there. I think they're kind of strict on that. So sorry about that. But yeah, we'll let you know if we get any fire pieces. Hold on. All right, so I didn't end up picking anything up at Endless Supply, but it was definitely a super cool store to be in. Shout out to the security guard. He recognized my jeans right away. And also one of the guys in Nordstrom recognized my jeans right away. So shout out to all the people who know what Who Decides War is. It's definitely gotten more popular over the years. But yeah, sadly, I did not pick up anything from Nordstrom or Endless Supply. That's why there's no pickups in this video. But if you're in the River North area, I would highly recommend going to this Nordstrom and also to that Endless Supply store because they both have really cool stuff. It just happened that there was nothing that caught my eye at the moment. There was a pair of rakes in the Endless Supply store that I really liked, and I actually ended up ordering them from Kith because Endless Supply didn't have my size, and there was a slightly different colorway that I wanted. So they sparked the idea for my shoe purchase. I just didn't get it straight from them. But yeah, it was a great experience. We got Young Stu. You low-key look like Young Gravy in that shirt type vibes. I do like that shirt. I feel like that shirt is like your...
It's good.
Your
It is good.
I've got two Supreme pickups. One of them is a flannel from when I was in the store, and the other one is the Crest Chanel logo t-shirt, which I got shipped to my door right now, which we're going down to pick up. Oh, I like forgot that I put this on my head. I was like looking at the camera. I was like, dude, what is that? That is super fried. All right, so getting into this unboxing. So yeah, the first thing that we're gonna get into is this Chanel Crest logo t-shirt. I am not 100% sure that this is gonna fit correctly. I went with the size medium because their tops are a little bit bigger than their traditional t-shirts, and I felt like most of the tops that had released this year were 30 inches long, and I'm like a pretty short dude, so I felt like I didn't really need this, but this ended up being like one of the shortest shirts to release all year. So yeah, I'm really hoping this fits correctly. If not, I'll be pretty devastated, but I think we're gonna be okay with the size medium. I've got faith that it's gonna fit. So I got the, oh, well, that's a new one. The Supreme stickers are like slit. Whoa. Maybe it's just, this must be like an error or something. They sent me this one. I don't know if this was an error, but each one of the letters are individually slit, so you can put like just a letter on something. Never seen that before. Then we just got a regular Supreme sticker, and yeah, that is it. So then we've just got the shirt here. Made in Portugal, so you know that's pretty nice. The other piece I got was made in China, but who am I to judge? As long as it's quality, I feel like it's gonna be okay. And yeah, just off like looks on this shirt, I am very happy that I went with the size medium. I do think a large probably would have been too big. The Chanel fabric feels very nice. The t-shirt itself, it's not like super nice. It's not nice. I don't know. It's nothing to like write home about, but it is better, a little bit thicker than your normal t-shirt, I would say. And I think I paid, I guess they don't really send you a receipt anymore, which is weird. Yeah, I'm not really sure how much I paid for that. I think it was like $104 after tax and shipping and everything, so kind of steep for a t-shirt, but yeah, in terms of quality, I am not upset with the price that I paid. So yeah, I'm gonna try it on real quick and I'll be back. So this fits me perfectly. This is like literally my ideal fit for a t-shirt, so I honestly could not be happier right now. Yeah, dude, this fits great. I am so happy that I didn't go with a large, because that would just be overkill. So yeah, medium in this fits me perfectly. If you guys were wondering, I'm about 5'7", like 155-ish, somewhere in that area. And I do like my t-shirts to be a little bit baggier, like loose fitting. So yeah, this is perfect. I'm super happy that I went with a medium. And I just really love this t-shirt. I love Chanel stuff, so I feel like I'm kind of biased in consideration towards this piece. But yeah, I'm just super happy that I got it, and it was like the one piece that I saw from Supreme this year so far that I was like, gotta have it, and I had no issues getting it. I think they still might be on the site, actually. Let me check. All right, so yeah, if you guys do want to buy one of these, they have all sizes in maybe all the colors left. Yeah. Sure, I'll get a lot of wear out of this t-shirt. So yeah, I'm very happy with this purchase. And then moving on to the second item we have here, it is the I actually got to look up the name of this real quick while I'm on the website. It's like the it's the basket weave it's the basket weave plaid shirt in the brown colorway. So I don't know how well you guys could tell on camera. I know like when I took pictures of it, it didn't translate very well. I'll get some B-roll up close so you guys can really see like the details and everything. But this like the lighter part in the plaid looks like it's white sometimes on camera or like in a picture, but it's actually like a very subtle pink, which I think is beautiful. I think just the colors on this piece are great, and like I said, it fits me perfectly, just like the t-shirt. I feel like Supreme mediums like were made to fit me, which is weird because I wear a large in their hoodies most of the time. But yeah, I felt like they're like shirts, all the button-up shirts I have fit me perfectly in a size medium. So yeah, like it's just kind of uncanny how well they fit me. It's like literally I went to a tailor almost. So yeah, as you guys can see here, it's about the perfect length on the side. The sleeves are the perfect length. These shoulders, I'm kind of having like a weird awkward angle here, but these shoulders like fall perfectly on my shoulders, and I feel like for a shorter person, I've got like pretty wide shoulders, so a lot of times that's why I will like size up on shirts and why I like baggier stuff. And that's why I debated getting the Chanel Crest logo in a medium or in a large, is just because like a lot of shirts like fit me really tight in the shoulders, and I really don't like that look. So a lot of times I will size up, but yeah, Supreme mediums for me seem to be spot on. So yeah, I'm really happy with both these pieces. I've got a pair of shoes in the mail, which if you guys are familiar with my channel, I haven't bought shoes in like 4 or 5 years, so pretty groundbreaking stuff over here. But yeah, a lot of cool purchases in the last week. Probably gonna definitely chill on buying stuff because I just dropped a bag on some stuff. Both these pieces, like I said, I got them for retail, and I wouldn't be surprised if these flannels end up making it into the sale. I hate to say that, but like online, they just don't look as cool as they do in person. So if these end up going on sale, I would highly recommend getting one of these. The other colorways are, I didn't like the other colorways as much, that's why I got this one, but the other colorways were still pretty nice. So yeah, if you guys need like a nice weave plaid shirt, I highly recommend getting this. Gonna be great for the fall winter. I feel like even like the springtime I'll get some good wear out of this. So yeah, 2 awesome pieces. I'm very excited, and hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. It's been a while since I've done like an unboxing style video, and this is also the first one that I've done since I got a camera, so very exciting. A lot of cool stuff going on right now for me, and yeah, I'm really excited to see where the channel and everything is gonna go this year. I just shot my first like vlog style type of video for the channel, but I've been rambling for long enough. So if you guys have made it to this point, thank you so much. I really appreciate it, and we will see you next time. Have a good one.